ಆನೆಗೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಉಂಟಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆನೆ
फोटो दिखा मैं क्या करूं बोली क्लास में
Good morning, students. So today will be the last class, okay, and we will be discussing a model paper of Karnataka CET, okay. So in Karnataka CET, okay, as per the syllabus, you have 40% weightage, okay, 20% weightage for PU1 syllabus, and 80% weightage for the PU2, okay. So as per this, you may get 45 questions from second year part and 15 questions from the first year part. Okay. So likewise, the questions you may get. Okay, 80-20. So 45 questions. So altogether you will have 60 questions in your paper. Okay. So okay, some of the important questions we will try to discuss. So here I have selected a model paper. Okay, which is consisting of 60 questions. Okay, so we can just you can go through this. Okay, just I will go through the question paper one by one and then solve some of the important questions. Okay, so pay attention. So see, as per the weightage, maximum questions are occurring from what? Maximum questions are occurring from first year, second year part. See, the first question is on matrices. Just we will go through the paper. Next, second question has occurred from probability, first year part. Next, vectors, vectors. Okay, so three questions have come on vectors. Okay, so three questions are from vectors. Next, solution. Okay, next again four question on vectors. Then we have complex numbers. Two questions are there. Complex number, third question. Fourth question is okay, from differentiation. Fifth, 12th question, see question number 12 is again from differentiation. Next we have integration. Two questions. Okay, differential equation. Then probability. Another question is from probability. Trigonometry. Okay. Next again we have a question from differentiation. Next integration. Question number 20 is from sequence and series. So next we have again trigonometry. After trigonometry, complex number, limits, again complex number. So complex number, four questions have occurred here in this paper. Again a question is from vectors, matrices and determinants. 28th question. Question number 29 is again from vectors. Question number 30 is okay from straight lines. Next permutation combination. Again we have sequence and series, limits, inverse trigonometry. Next question is from triangles. Okay, so you could make solve using vectors or by determinants. Next again permutation combination. Question number 37, derivatives. Next we have straight lines. After straight lines, area of the triangle. So don't disturb the class. Mute yourself. Okay. So next again area of triangle is given. Next we have limits. Question on limits. Okay. And then question number 41. So this I have put it in one page. See, 41 is from limits. 42 triangles, trigonometry. And again we have real numbers. 45 is from again trigonometry. 46 inverse trigonometry. 47 complex numbers. 48 is from functions. 49 permutation combination. 50 is part of solutions. And that is linear inequalities. Okay, and then what must be the matrix? Again matrices. And similarly here you can see the question number 52 is from determinants. Next again and determinants, again vectors, matrices. Question number 56 is again from vectors. Okay, 57 is also from vectors. 58 permutation combination, probability, and then integration, and 60th is also from integration. Okay, so we will discuss now one by one the questions over here. So at least I'll try to cover 30 questions. Okay, remaining 30. So paper I have discussed. So see, maximum questions are from second year part. Okay, so very few questions you have from first year part. So now if you go through this model paper, you can see maximum See, if we go through the model paper, we have gone through the model paper now. Okay. See, for maths paper better, you can. Okay, students. So see, whenever you are facing the exams tomorrow, so I want, okay, just take this as a suggestion. It will help you. Okay, so it's just a advice to you that first what you will do, you go from question number 1 to 60. Okay, read all the questions quickly within the first 5 minutes. Okay, within the first 5 minutes, you go from question number 1 to 60, and then with the pencil, okay, with the pencil, just go on writing the numbers. Okay, question numbers. Okay, go on writing the question numbers which you are very perfect. Okay, so attempt at least 30 such questions which you feel you are confident. Okay, so first try to cover this in the first 45 minutes or so. Okay, and then what you can do is you can see the questions which are difficult to you. Okay, so if you are confident 30 to 35 questions, and if you cover this in the first 45 minutes, you can score good marks in mathematics CET part. Okay, so first go through all the questions from 1 to 60, then mark the questions which you are confident. Okay, mark the questions or just note down the question numbers and attempt such questions first. Okay, don't go in sequence. Okay, don't go in sequence because you will waste your time. Okay, if you don't know, just skip it quickly and rush to the next question. Okay, so all the best for you. Okay, so we will start with the first question here uh, from this model paper. So see, the first question here is, okay, if A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, then A inverse is, okay, we need to calculate A inverse. So we had seen a shortcut here, and just what you have to do is you have to interchange, okay, interchange the diagonal elements. So see, first check whether it is existing or no. So see, 2 into 6 is 12. Okay, and 4 into 3 is also 12. Okay, so 12 minus 12 is what? 0. So directly the answer C does not exist, because for inverse to exist, determinant of A must not be equal to 0. Okay, it must be non-singular, but this matrix is a singular matrix, so inverse does not exist. So option C will be the right option. Okay, hope the steps are clear. And then we had discussed a shortcut also for such type of questions. Okay, so when inverse of a matrix is given, okay, inverse of a matrix is given, then what you have to do is we have to interchange the diagonal elements, and non-diagonal elements you need to multiply it with a negative sign. Okay, so directly you will get the answer. Okay, what you have to do is you have to interchange the diagonal elements, and non-diagonal elements you have to multiply by a negative sign. Okay, you have to multiply by negative sign. Okay, so that is the question 1 for you. Next, question number 2. Okay, so question number 2 is from part of probability. So see, a man throws a fair coin, a number of times, a number of times, and gets 2 points for each head. Okay, so for every head he is getting 2 points he throws, and 1 point for each tail he throws. The probability that he gets exactly 6 points is, okay, the probability that he gets exactly how many points? 6 points. Okay, exactly how many points he needs to get? 6 points he needs to get. Okay, so here what we need to do, see, okay, so a man throws a fair coin a number of times and gets 2 points for each head. Okay, so if there is a head, he is getting 2 points. Okay, and if there is a tail, then he will be getting 1 point. The probability that he gets exactly 6 points is, okay, exactly what 6 points is. Okay, so we will discuss this. Okay, or you want to have, okay, attach the solution, copy to this. To see the required probability, we will just go through it. See, pay attention. Yes. So see here required probability. So see P of, so when he is getting only H, okay, then P of 2H and what 2T, then P, okay, 6 times, okay, P, so see he is getting 1H and he is getting 4T's, and then he is getting all the 6 times as what T. So see it will be 1 upon 2 raised to 3, okay, plus 4 okay, 4C2 1 upon 2 raised to 4, then 5C1 1 upon 2 raised to 5, and plus 1 upon 2 raised to 6. So when we simplify this, we get 1 upon 8, 6 upon 16, plus 5 upon 32, plus 1 upon 64, which is equal to 43 by 64. Okay, so the required answer will be 42 by what? 64. Okay, 42 by 64. Once again, you all practice it. Same example, you all try to practice it later. Okay. Next, we will discuss the question number 3. Okay, question number 3. So, see the area of the parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram determined by vectors. Okay, so 2 vectors are given. Okay, we need to calculate the area of what parallelogram. So, area of parallelogram, you all know. Okay, formula for area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to what? When okay, it is nothing but what mod of A cross B. So if you apply this formula, and simplify, you will get the required answer. So here what they are doing is determined by the vectors. They have not mentioned whether these are the sides or these are the diagonals. Okay, so see two formulas we have. If suppose the same question is occurring, if they mention you as the diagonals, okay, if A and B are the diagonals, then you need to use half mod of A cross B, okay, for area of parallelogram. Okay, and if they have mentioned them as the sides, then when you need to make use of mod of A cross B. Okay, you need to make use of the formula mod of A cross B. Okay, mod of A cross B. Okay, so when you substitute these and simplify, better you consider them as the sides and simplify it. Okay, so you will get the answer as root of 180 square units. Okay, root of 180 square units. Next, question number 4. See if the vectors ai cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and minus 12i cap plus 4j cap plus 8k cap are perpendicular, then each of a is equal to. Okay, so we know yesterday's class we discussed the dot product of our two perpendicular vectors is equal to 0. So take the dot product of these. So you need to multiply just the components. So see what we can do here is multiply the components. So it will be 12. Okay, 12 into what? It will be multiplied by 12 into a. Okay, 12 into a minus 12 into a. Then 4 into 1. 4 into 1. Okay, and then plus 8 into minus 2 is equal to what? 0. So when we simplify, it is minus 16 plus 4. Okay, minus 16 plus 4 minus 12a. So when we simplify, we get minus 12. So 12 upon minus 12 a value. So a value will be equal to what? 1. So you have to use dot product of two vectors is equal to 0. Take the dot product, equate it to 0. So you will get the value of a as what? Minus 1. Okay. Next question is again from vectors. Okay, the question is from vectors. So see what we can do here further. Question number 5. Okay, so see question number 5. So question number 5, we want the unit vector perpendicular to the vectors. Okay, unit vector perpendicular to the vectors. So we know this example we can simplify by making use of cross product of two vectors. Okay, cross product of what? Two vectors. Previous we used dot product. Here we are making use of what? Cross product of two vectors, and we can use the formula. So the unit perpendicular vector, okay, n is nothing but okay vector a cross what? Vector b divided by what? Mod of a cross b. Okay, mod of a cross b. So when we apply this formula, we will get the unit vector perpendicular to these vectors. So a cross b divided by mod you do. Okay, when you simplify this, you will get the answer in the form of okay in the form of what? Option A. So option A will be the right answer. So first find A cross B and then make use of the modulus value. Okay. Next example. So see if A, okay, A composition B. Okay, see one function is given and they are saying that see if A composition B is equal to what? A plus B plus what? AB, and then the solution of, okay, see then the solution of 4 composition what? X. So this 4 composition X can be written as 4 because A value is 4 and X is this, so into B, and the value is already given, it is equal to what? 3. Okay, it is equal to 3. So they are asking us then the solution of this is, okay, so then the solution of this is, that is we need to calculate X value. So how we can calculate the X value? See, so 4x, so see 4 plus 5x, or 3 minus 4 is minus 1 upon 5. So X value will be equal to minus 1 upon 5. Okay, so minus 1 upon 5 will be the final answer. Next, question number 7. Okay, hope you are understanding the solutions, students. Okay, so just try to take a book and pencil with you and try to attempt on your own. Okay, whichever steps you are not understanding or question you are not understanding, try to observe the solution. Okay, so try to solve it along with me. Okay, next question number 7. Question number 7 we will discuss. Okay, so see the question number 7 here is, okay, so see the question number 7 we will discuss. And the question number 7, again the question is from vectors. So here we need to take the triple product. Okay, we need to take the triple product of this. Okay, and we know directly there is a formula. What is the formula for scalar triple product? Okay, A dot B cross C. Okay, A dot B cross C will be equal to the determinant. Okay, will be equal to the determinant, and from this we can simplify. So the determinant value, when you simplify, you will get the answer. Okay, what's the simple what we can do? It's very simple. First, what you need to do? First, you have to calculate B cross C. So first calculate B cross C. Okay, B cross C we need to calculate. So it will be what? I j k, I j and what k, and the components of vector A, components of vector A, what they are saying? Component of vectors A, B are 6, 4 and minus 2, and C are 3, minus 2, minus 4. So on simplifying this, we get the answer in the form of B cross C. We get it in the form of minus 20 I cap plus 18 j cap minus 24 k cap. Okay. So here on simplifying, this is B cross C we have got, and then what you do is you take the dot product A dot, okay, A dot B cross C. So whatever the answer you have got, okay, you substitute and take the dot product. So finally, when you simplify, you will get the answer as minus 144. So option D will be the right answer. Okay. So after solving, the final answer will be minus 140. Okay. So next question number 8. It's from complex number. Okay, question. So the modulus and amplitude of 1 plus I upon what? 1 minus I is. Okay. So first we have to see, whenever we are finding the modulus and amplitude in case of complex number, the I term, okay, whatever this I term is there in the denominator, so this term should not be in the denominator. So what we have to do first, rationalize this. Okay, rationalize this, and Now what do we get? See omega. Omega, what do we get? Okay, so here what we are doing is okay. So first what we are doing is so this is 1 plus I upon what 1 minus I. So rationalize it by 1 plus I upon what 1 minus I. So when we rationalize and simplify it, okay, when we rationalize and simplify it, we get it in the form of see we get it in the form of see when you simplify this you will get 1 plus 2I okay plus 2I see plus 2I. See when you rationalize what do you get? See write the rationalized form. So when you rationalize this and simplify, we get it in the form of so it will be equal to I. Okay, and you know now mod of I this will be equal to 1, and amplitude of this okay amplitude of this we need to use tan theta formula. Tan theta is equal to okay tan theta is equal to when you simplify this I we get so mod value m will be equal to modulus value m will be equal to 1 and theta value it is okay by Taylor. Okay, so on simplifying we get the value as okay the value as theta is equal to pi by 2. This is the answer. So you will be getting it in the form of what 1 comma 1 comma pi by 2. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question number 9. So in question number 9 what we can do here is say question number 9 two properties you all remember. Say 1 plus omega plus what omega square is equal to what 0. Okay. See here two hints you need to remember. See 1 omega square. Okay, it is equal to 0. Okay, next one more is okay. So see one more. So here they are asking question number 9. In the question number 9, they have asked us to calculate. Okay, they have asked us to calculate uh, the product of cube roots of what unity. See, we know this. Okay, 1 plus omega plus what omega square will be equal to 0. And see 1 into omega plus omega cube. Okay, the answer will be equal to what plus 1. Okay, it will be equal to plus 1. Okay, so this is how we can solve the examples. So it's on complex number. So from this we get the answer at say product will be equal to what minus 1. Okay, the answer plus 1. Okay, plus 1 will be the right answer. Next example, question number 10. So question number 10. In the Argand diagram, the points representing complex number 7 plus 9i, 3 minus 7i, and minus 3 plus 3i. Okay, minus 3 plus 3i are. Okay, so here there is no option. What you need to do is we need to write the vertices and then find out the sides. Okay, find out the sides. Okay. Next, after question number 10, what we need to do in question number 12? Question number 12, they have given the abscissa of the points where the tangent to the curve is parallel toward x-axis. It is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So next, what we have to do is to calculate. Okay. So see in question number 10, we are getting, when you simplify, you will get it in the form of, if I consider this as vertex A, B, C. If we consider this as vertex A, B, C. So if vertex A, B, C, if we are considering the vertices A, B, and what C, A, B, and what C, and if you consider the first complex number as 7 plus 9i, okay, and then 3 comma minus 7i, and then minus 3 plus what 3i. So when we consider this, okay, we get it in the form of, we get the result. Here we get the result as AB square is equal to AC square plus what? BC square. And when it satisfies this condition, it will be a right angled, okay, right angled isosceles what? A triangle. So option B, okay, option B will be the right answer. Okay, option B will be the right answer. Next, question number 11. The abscissa of the points where tangents to the curve is parallel to which axis? Is parallel to the axis. Okay, so that's axis. So in this case, we have to calculate. Yeah, so we have to calculate the parallel to the tangent to the curve y is parallel to x-axis. Abscissa we need to calculate where the tangent meets the curve. Okay, so what I will do is here we need to take the derivative of this. See the derivative of this dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx of the curve will be equal to 3x square minus what 6x. Okay, so dy by dx will be equal to 6x, and then what we have to do is, okay, then what we have to do is see whether the derivatives are occurring. Okay, so first after obtaining the derivative, next what you have to do is we have to equate 3x square so see when we simplify 3x square, so see dy by dx, since it is parallel and this derivative part will be equal to what 0. So 3x square minus 6x minus 9, you get minus 9, and 5 derivative will be 0 equal to 0. So when we simplify this, we get x is equal to 3 or minus 1. Okay, 3 or minus 1. So out of the given options, okay, 3 and minus 1, option C will be the right option. Okay, option C will be the right option. Next, we need to calculate the maximum of this. So such type of example we have solved. Okay, and the answer for this is, okay, answer for this is, when we simplify, the answer will be B. Okay, B will be x by 2. Okay, B will be x by 2 will be the maximum, the point of maximum. Next, question number 13. So in question number 13, what do we get? Question number 13. So both the questions 13 and 14 are from what? Are from integration. So here they have asked the value of 1 upon x minus 5 x square and dx is, okay. So 1 minus x square 5 and dx is. So in this particular question, what we need to do is we can substitute x minus 5 as what? T. Okay, x minus 5 as t, and then on simplifying we get dx is equal to dt. Okay, see here what we will do is for this question number 13, we can solve it. Okay, put x minus 5 is equal to t. So this will be what this when we differentiate we get dx is equal to dt. So on simplifying further we get so on simplifying, see what do we get here. So this will be integral from 1 upon t square. In place of dx we need to substitute dt. So when we integrate this we get it in the form of we get it in the form of 1 t raised to 1 upon t, t raised to 1 upon t plus c. So on simplifying this, on simplifying this further, we get it in the form of we get it in the form of resubstitute t value. When you resubstitute the t value, you will get 2 times x minus 5. 2 times x minus 5. 2 times x minus 5. Okay, so the final answer will be x minus 1 upon final answer will be 1 upon x minus 5. Okay, 1 minus 5 minus plus c, which will be the final answer. Okay, option D will be the right answer. Next, question number, the value of, so this is direct. We have it in the form of c. We have it in the form of 2 into 1 upon root of a square minus what x square dx. Okay, we know this as a sine inverse xy a. So on simplifying, see 1 minus 4x square. So if you want, you can make use of substitution and solve it, or you can do it directly. So see this on directly, you will get it in the form of sine inverse. Okay. Sine inverse. On simplifying, in place of a, it is 2x plus what c. So the option D, C will be the right option. Okay, next question number 15 we will discuss. Okay, order and degree. Okay, so the order and degree of the differential equation is order and degree of the differential equation is, so when we simplify we can see the highest order derivative involved is what 2. Highest order derivative involved is 2, and the power of that highest order derivative is what 1. Okay, so order will be 2, order will be equal to what 2, and order will be equal to the option D will be the right answer. Okay, option D will be the right answer. Question number 16. Okay, question number 16. It's a part of a probability. So I'll give you 2 minutes time. You all try to find. Here you have to find P or A or B. This is from the first year part. Try to solve it. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Quickly do it and tell me the answer. Put it in the chat box. Yes, okay, two of you have answered this. Okay, option C1 has option C1 has answered, another one has answered option A. Okay, so we will check the solution of this. See what's given in a class of school in a 11th class or of a school. 40% of the students study maths. Okay, 30% study biology, and 10% of the class study both mathematics and what biology. If a student is selected at a random, find the probability that he will be studying mathematics or what biology, or we have to calculate, or we need to calculate, then we need to calculate what intersection. So we need to calculate P of what we need to calculate. See, simple, the formula what we need to use is P of A union B. Okay, A intersection B we need to calculate, and this is equal to what? P of A plus P of B minus P of what? A intersection B. All values are given here in terms of percentage. So this will be 0.4 plus what? 0.3 minus 0.1. Okay, so 0.4 plus 0.3 is what? 0.7. In that one you subtract, it will be 0.6. So option A will be the right answer. Okay, so 60% will be studying mathematics or what? Biology. So option 16, option A will be the right answer. Okay, so those who are not done, just you can use the formula and simplify it. Okay, next example number 17. So in the 17th question, it's been given if A and B are the 2 points on the circle, okay, of radius r, with the center at O and AOB equal to theta, and then the area of the sector AOB is, okay, area of the sector AOB is, so this way we will do it. See, pay attention here. Okay, so see, this is the circle, and they are saying the center is what? O, and A and B are what? 2 points, point A and again point B. So point A and point B. Okay, so what it's been given? If AOB is equal to theta in radian, if this is theta in radian, then the area of sector, so we know direct formula, it is half r square theta. So half r square theta is the formula for area of sector, and this L is equal to r theta is length of the arc. Okay, so this is for length of the arc, and this is for area of sector, half r square theta. So option A will be the right answer. Okay, this is the question. Next, see the point at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to y is equal to 3x plus 9. So here we have to find out the point at which the tangent to this curve is parallel to y is equal to 2x 3x plus what? 9. Okay, so first what we will do is we need to differentiate this. Okay, we need to differentiate this. We will get the slope of the tangent. See, equation, when we differentiate the curve, we get dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 2 4x minus what? 1. And see, for this particular line, okay, for this given line, the slope of this line, okay, the slope of this line will be equal to what? 3. Okay, so see, since both are parallel, and this 4x minus 1 will be equal to 3, or 4x is equal to what? 4x will be equal to 1, and see, when x is equal to 1, only option is there. Now y will be equal to 2. So option 1 comma 2. Okay, option A will be the right answer. So 1 upon 2 is the point where the tangent meets the curve and is parallel to the given line. Y is equal to 3x plus 9. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 9. Next example number 19. Okay, so here the value of 0 to pi by 2 log of what? Tan dx is equal to. So this question is from integration part. Okay, integration part. So here we are making use of the properties, okay, of definite integral and solving it. So see, what we can do here is, so this is the equation 1. Okay, equation 1, I'll consider it as what? I, and then by using the property, what property? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, I can write this as, this can be written as 0 to pi by 2 log of, see, in place of x we need to replace it as pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so log of, so you will get tan of pi by 2 minus x. So on simplifying we get, we get it as, see, this will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of tan of pi by 2 minus x is, it will be cot x. Okay, it will be cot x, and this will be equation number 2. Now see, when you add it, okay, when we add both the I values, so this both the I values, when we add it, so we will be getting it in the form of, okay, so I'll solve it here further, see the attention. Okay, so see, we will get it as, the sum will be equal to, see, the sum will be equal to 2i, and 2i will be equal to 0 to what, pi by 2, the log of tan x into, okay, tan log of tan x, okay, so when we do this, this will be cot x. Okay, and we know log of a plus b. What is log of a plus log of b? It will be log of a into b. Okay, so it will be tan x into what, cot x, and we know the value of this is equal to 1, and log 1 is equal to 0. Okay, log 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so the overall value will be equal to 0. So option D will be the right answer. Okay, option D will be the right answer. Next example. Okay, next question. Okay, next one. Question number 20. It's from some of the series. Okay, question number 20. You all try this. It's from sequence and series. Okay, try it. Next question number 21. And question number 21. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Theta is between 0 to 360. And then the solutions are. Okay, so this is, we need to calculate the principal solution. So we know, see, this value is given here is negative, and we know cos is negative in which two quadrants? Cos theta is negative in what, second and third quadrant. So see, in second and third quadrant, which are the values occurring? Second and third quadrant. So this is second quadrant. This is also third quadrant. Second quadrant and third quadrant. Okay, so see, next one. Next example. So when we simplify this 21 by making use of a general solution, okay, we will get the answer as option D. That is 120 and 240. Okay, 130 and 240 will be the final answer. So question number 22 now. So question number 22 is given that let P be a point represented by complex number Z, rotate OP through pi by 2 in anti-clockwise direction. The new position of the complex number is represented by. Okay, so this one also I'll try it for homework. Next 23, the value of limit root of a plus x minus a minus x upon x as x tends to 0. So here what we need to do is, we need to rationalize the numerator. Okay, here what you do is rationalize the numerator. So a plus x plus what, a minus x, you do this and simplify, you will get the direct answer. Okay, and that value 23, you will get the value as, Okay, you will get the value as 1 upon root a. That is the option D. Option D will be the right answer. Okay, next question number 24. So question number 24, what do we have? So in question number 24, the conjugate of 2 plus I whole square upon 3 plus I formula. So here you can see the conjugate of question number 24. So in question number 24, okay, we get it in the form of, so see they are asking us to find the conjugate. So we know for conjugate, if a plus ib is there, then its conjugate will be what? A minus ib. So we have to simplify this. The question is very easy. Simplified, so on simplification, we need to find out what we need to find its conjugate first. Okay, find its conjugate. So what we are doing here is in the question number 24. Okay, so first we are finding the conjugate. So how to find the conjugate of this? To find the conjugate of this, we need to multiply by denominator or the okay. So here the conjugate, see conjugate, once you get it in a plus ib form, convert it in a minus ib. Okay, a minus ib form. So see the final answer here we will get is, on reducing this given chain, we will get z is equal to we will get it in the form of, okay, we will get it in the form of 13 plus 19 I 30. Okay, so see this will be nothing but 13. Okay, 13 plus I root 19 divided by 10. We want its conjugate, so negative sign only we need to change. So option D will be the right answer. Option D will be the right answer. Okay. Next question. Okay. So see here, this question at least it's direct. We will discuss another two questions and then stop. See here, if A and B are unit vectors, then which of the following is true? Okay, which of the following is true? This is direct. See, if A and B are two vectors, then we get A plus B is not a unit vector. So see, which of the following is correct? They are asking. A plus B is not all unit vector. A plus B is a unit vector if A and B are parallel. Okay, vector A plus B is a unit vector if A and B, okay, A and B are perpendicular vectors and A plus B is also a unit vector. Okay, so out of this 26th example, okay, 26th example, okay, option A, that is not at all what not at all a unit vector will be the right answer. Okay, will be the right answer. So you will get the answer as option A. Next, A and B are symmetric. A inverse into B inverse exist. Okay, this is at least direct. So C, it will be B inverse minus what? B inverse minus A inverse. Direct question it is. Okay, it has come directly. So if you know the formula, you can easily pick down, and no need of knowing the formula, only just we have to interchange it. Okay, in the question number 27, just we have to interchange it. Okay, next question number 28. So in question number 28, we have to find the value. Okay, so in most of the cases, here we need to apply the operation. So when such type of questions are occurring, you need to make use of the operations and simplify. So what we can do is, first row I will give it as it is. First row I will give it as it is, and then what I will do is I will apply the operations. Okay, so see when you simplify this, you will get the value as what 0. value as 0. So option D will be the right answer. Next example, question number 29. See, if 5 I cap plus 6 j cap minus k cap and 7 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 17 cap are two vectors, then A dot B equal to A dot B. We know the formula for A dot B, mod A mod B cos theta. So that formula we can apply and simplify, or directly the component form is given. So just multiply the components. Just multiply the components, you will get the value. Okay, so see, when you simplify this A dot B 29th, you will get the answer as what B. See now here A dot B. Okay, A dot B we need to calculate. Okay, A dot B. So see, A dot B is equal to 5 I cap plus 6 j cap minus k cap and 7 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 7. Okay, so when we simplify A dot B, A dot B direct it is A dot B. When you simplify, just multiply 5 into 7, 6 into minus 3, so 35 minus 18 we get, and then okay, so when we simplify, what do we get here? So when we simplify this example component wise, 29th, the option B, the 0, and when okay, it is applicable. Okay, so see next, the question number 30. Line makes 0. Okay, line makes 0 intercept on what x-axis and y-axis, and it is perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. See, first we have to find the perpendicular line. Okay, so perpendicular line, how we can find it out? Okay, so when you simplify this question number 30, see they are saying in the question here, it's said that okay, 0 intercept on x-axis and y-intercept is y-intercept, okay, y-axis, and it is perpendicular to the line. It is perpendicular to this line. Then the equation is okay. Then the equation is, so first see it makes 0 intercept means x and y-axis intercept will be what 0 comma 0 and 0. Then if I replace this x and y coordinate, at least will be 0. So when we replace in this value as x and y is equal to what 0, what do we get here? First, what we have to see is line makes 0 intercept on x and y axis, and it is perpendicular to this line. So perpendicular to this line, so we can get the equation of the line. So we need to interchange. Okay, interchange the coordinates. So it will be 4x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0, and this will be the equation of our new line. So in this new line, what I will do is I will substitute k equal to 0, because when we simplify it, we get k equal to 0. So 4x minus what 3y, okay, 3y is equal to what 0 we will get. So this is the equation of the line. Equation of the line. So again, remaining some more questions are been given here. You all can try it. Okay, and then tomorrow I gave you a hint. First, go through all the question numbers 1 to 60. Go through in first 5 minutes and see which are very easy questions to you and confident questions. So first solve these. Okay, and then last okay, you can fall behind the questions which there is confusion. Okay, so you all the best for you. Okay, and hope this program has helped you. Okay, so we will okay, so after your CET result, contact to our Sankalp team. Okay, and it will be helpful if you okay let us know your marks. Okay, after the competitive exams. So wish you all the best. Okay, take care. Bye.